Hosting a challenge that leads into your course is a great way to build excitement, engage your audience, and ultimately convert them into paying students. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll walk through how to set up a challenge that seamlessly connects with your course offering. You'll learn how to run the challenge, provide value, and naturally lead people into enrolling in your course. The first thing you need to do is choose the right challenge format. You want it to align with the problem your course solves. Whether it's a 5-day challenge, a 7-day challenge, or something shorter, it needs to be something your audience can easily complete in a short amount of time, but still experience real transformation. The key here is to focus on results they can see quickly. Don't make the challenge too long or complex. Next, structure the challenge to provide small, actionable steps. These should build on each other, leading participants closer to the transformation they need. Make sure your challenge isn't just about motivation. It needs to showcase the core elements of what your course will teach. For example, if your course is about social media marketing, your challenge could be about creating engaging social posts or writing compelling ad copy. The challenge should demonstrate why your course will make their life easier and more successful. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hosting a challenge is neglecting the follow-up. You've got to keep your participants engaged after they've completed each day's task. One effective strategy is to send daily emails with reminders and encouragement, including a sneak peek of your course content. This keeps the momentum going and gets them excited to see more. Include a call to action at the end of each email that points them toward the next step, enrolling in your course. Make it feel like a natural progression, not a hard sell. Now, let's talk about the software we're using. I've tested a lot of options, but I recommend using this software to run your challenge. It's simple, reliable, and gives you everything you need to track progress, send automated emails, and engage with your audience. You can also use it to seamlessly integrate the course sign-up process. If you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description just for you. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while it lasts. As you get closer to the end of your challenge, it's time to introduce your course more directly. You want to make an offer that feels irresistible, like the perfect next step. This is where you tie in the results of your challenge with what your course can offer. You can share success stories or testimonials from people who've taken your course and experienced a transformation. The goal is to create a smooth transition where the challenge participants realize that your course is the next logical step to achieving even more. Key takeaway: hosting a challenge that leads into your course works best when it provides value, demonstrates the benefits of your course, and smoothly transitions participants toward enrollment. Make sure to engage them with actionable steps and strategic follow-ups, and use the right software to make it all run smoothly. So, remember to take advantage of that exclusive free trial link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.